gonna go up.
So let's see, this thing has 27 miles on it. New little track plastics. There you go. And the idiot himself. And what are you doing today?
So basically, I bet the asshole that I would take my bike with 27 miles on it through the car wash for a free track day, which has an approximate cash value of $250.
What's the temperature today?
Haven't looked, but it's about 40.
Yeah, there you go.
So that's it.
All right. Joe, you ready? Go swipe his ass.
I got him videotaped too. Did you use painter's tape on his bike?
He doesn't want his vent to be...
Sadly enough, it matches. That's a convenient. Tony's Trackday.
Go swipe him. What's that? The fuck is it authorized? Oh yeah. Oh, we got the arrow. Oh!
Oh, dude, you can pull the film.
I know.
Yes! Ow! This is fucking great. Hey, did you get the wax too? No. I don't want to get wet.
Are you wet yet? Sorry. Yeah, it's fine, it's fine. It's a bet. Holy shit! Fuck me! That's a lot of water.
It's gonna go up.
It's a bet we're doing.
You gotta give him a water better. Oh, it went down the back.
Holy shit, I can't see anything.
It went right down the collar. It went right over his head down the collar.
Holy fuck, I'm freezing!
No way!
His lower back is showing. Yeah. Yeah, it went right down his neck. It shot right down there.
Is there gonna be another one?
And we don't gave him the platinum and triple fault. Now it works.
Chris, are you wet?
Yeah! You sure it's clear? I think you missed the spot.
It's not done yet.
It's not done.
It's not done yet. Yeah, that's the pace you got it. All right, let's go. All right, give it a minute. I gotta go grab my bike.
Rip the thing off. Dave, rip it off.
What's up?
I'm fucking freezing! Hey, we're gonna go do a loop up 57 first.
How long's that ride back? 8 miles?
Now he has to ride it back. Alright, hold on. Get next to the chase truck. Hold on. You ready to go, Chris? Chris. You look cold.
Fuck off!
Good?
I'm freezing.
Alright.
Am I getting in front of him?
Doesn't matter. Get next to him.
How is it?
Cold.
Wait, you know, if we're gonna ride with the window open, I gotta turn the heat up.
Yeah, we got heat. Damn it, every fucking green light he gets.
No waiting.
I want him to sit around for a little while.
I don't think it's gonna happen. He's got some karma going on or something.
What's the matter, buddy?
My thighs are frozen.
Come here, Sissy.
Don't touch him. Let him get him off himself. Don't help him.
He's gotta get him.
Don't fucking help him. It's a man bet.
How you feeling there, bud? Get your fucking gloves on.
So, was it worth it for a free track day?
Oh, yeah.
I do.
Like those rubber gloves.
All right, let him do the rest. Can you at least come out in the light?
The problem wasn't my fingers, it was my palms. Water got in my gloves and it froze.
How's your back?
Back is fine. It was
You
my
look
thighs.
fucking cold. You look.
It was my thighs and my palms.
Oh, you should be gonna get one of the jacket.
Dude, it's right here. Water got right in there.
Dave, you lose your
So I
house
kept
keys.
slipping. Like that's
Did I?
Lost your house keys,
Doors.
take it in. You just have to stay like this.
Where am I? Oh, where?
Yeah, man. That's why you wag your ass in when you done this.
So, I guess you
Look
did
where
it,
all
huh?
this water is. Look at this. I'm not having kids.
I went to pass my house.
Yeah, it's in the boots. No water got in there, boys.
Dude, it's like a used condom.
Yeah, there's very little water in there.
Yeah, okay. See, that one is between your toes.
No, those boots don't protect shit.
Yeah, there's no water in there.
You want to feel my foot?
Step on the ground. I want to see it.
His hairs are wet. They're definitely wet.
Oh yeah, that's a little wet.
Anybody want to stick their hand in there?
No. Yeah.
And I got a job.
Bill probably put his butt in there.